What is up, guys? Today I'm actually gonna get my headlights restored on the Subi. I'm gonna get both of them restored. One of them actually needs the inside and the outside restored, so I'm gonna take the lens off of the passenger headlight, and then the driver's side is perfectly fine on the inside, so he's gonna do the outside on that one. But I'm not sure if you guys can tell, it's a little bit foggy, not too crazy, but I've tried to restore the outside, but I've noticed that the inside is a little bit scratched up as well from prior, like, I'm not sure. But definitely I'm gonna take the lens off, whatever, and then take him the lens itself, and then I'm gonna take him the headlight assembly from the driver's side, because the driver's side is a little bit clearer, but still needs a little work. So yeah, right now I'm gonna take the bumper off, I'm gonna take the headlights out, I'm gonna put that headlight in the oven, and then remove the lens from the headlight itself. So there they are, guys. This is the passenger side, this is the driver's side. So this one I'm gonna put in the oven for about 10 minutes at 200 degrees, and then I'm gonna bring it out here and then remove the lens from the headlight itself. Alright guys, so it is set at 200 degrees, and like every other Mexican household, you gotta take out the pans and pots out of the oven. So make sure to do that, and then put it in there for about 10 to 12 minutes, and then take it out and see what we got. Ooh, these boys hot. Make sure to wear gloves, guys, because this will definitely do some damage to your hands if you guys are not wearing gloves. But like I said, just use something like a flathead or something along the lines. Separate the bond between the headlight assembly and the lens. This glue gets really hard. It's meant to keep any, you know, dust, weather, all the rain out, snow. Look at that. Nice and clean it inside. Now all that's left is to take off this screw and then pop this out, and that's it. There that is. That's so pretty much just goes here, and then it's the lens. So yeah guys, I don't know if you guys can see, but look, notice how it's so clear, and then when I put the headlight in front of it, it's gonna make it blurry. See that? So hopefully he's able to restore it. I'm not sure if this is normal to see, you know, have someone restore the inside and the outside of the lens, but I wouldn't see any difference because the outside and the inside shouldn't be any different as far as the material goes, you know? So it should be the same as far as clearing both sides, but we'll see how he does. So right now, I'm gonna put them in the car, call my Uber, because obviously I'm not gonna drive my Subi without headlights, but see you guys in a little bit. Alright, now it's time to call the Uber. Let's see. I should probably walk up to the curb. That way they're expecting me out. Do you hear that? The heck? Sounds like a supercharger. What the hell? Is that pumpkin spice? Oh, he almost crashed into that freaking Audi. Hey bro, are you the Uber?
Huh?
Are you the Uber?
Yeah bro, you ordered Uber, right?
Yeah.
Yeah dude, I'm just out trying to make some extra cash right now. Get in.
Hey, it says 22 bucks. Is it really 22 bucks or what the fuck?
I'll give you a homie discount.
No way.
Yeah, I got you,
for
bro.
sure, bro. All right, let's get it.
Many diamonds dangling. Back full of money, be striking.
Oh shit!
Me, fry me, bake me, try me, all the above, cause you can't get in. I don't want no problem. Because me professional at it.
What the hell? Alright, quick question. I know everyone when they get in an Uber they ask this question. And it is, how long have you been in Uber? Gay! Anyways, what?
For a couple months now. I started back probably a little bit before December.
December?
Yeah, a little bit before December.
So is that why they call you Santa?
Yeah.
And this is your sleigh?
Well, usually I wear a beard, but it got a little bit dirty on my Uber from last night.
Oh,
you know,
okay.
People got a little bit too rough.
Yeah, yeah.
In the beard, and I just didn't like that.
Yeah, yeah.
But anyways, for you guys that don't know, back in August I got hurt at my work. Hang on, let's take a moment. This guy behind me did pipe me, so let's give him something back.
Kyle just did a pull on another Honda.
See, those ricers, man, I don't like them. Granted, I drive a Haunted?
Haunted? Haunted Honda?
I don't call them Hondas, I call them Haunted. So, mine's one of a kind. All these other ricers can, you know, they're just kind of gay. Anyways, where was I? Back in August, I got hurt at my work. So, I was getting these L&I checks, but getting paid through the state, man, they just slack. They take like, dude, sometimes I'm supposed to get my checks on like a Monday or whatever, and I don't get it until like freaking a Friday that week or even next week.
That sucks, dude.
Yeah, so I had to figure something out. Uber was my, I guess my choice, my decision on how to gain some extra cash.
Yeah.
Especially on these weekends, man. The clubs get popping, the girls get nice.
Oh shit.
It's just really nice. And they love pumpkin spice.
Yeah.
Pumpkin spice. They're like, oh my god, can we go to Starbucks? I need a pumpkin spice. I was like, I got your pumpkin spice right here, baby girl.
Isn't that pumpkin spice latte?
Yeah.
Hey, look at the Honda came through. He's behind us, he followed us. So the guy that Kyle did a launch on, he pulled up to the ATM too. I think he wants some beef. He wants a latte or what?
He wants oh my god, a pumpkin spice. I got your pumpkin spice right here, baby girl.
So we're gonna go to the detailer right now, so we'll catch you guys there, if not after or whatever, but for sure see you guys in a little bit. All right guys, so I just dropped off the headlights with him. I was talking to him for a little bit as far as like what he sees, if it's fixable or whatever, but he said he's gonna do a spot on that one headlight on the inside and the outside, see if it works, but hopefully it does, because you know I want clear headlights, you know. Any of you guys that need, you know, jobs done like that and you guys feel like your lights are dim but they're really foggy, it's because of that. So if you guys were like to get restored and like cleared, they'll be way brighter than what they are now if they are really foggy. So for sure, you know, take that into consideration when you guys are, you know, wanting to do your headlights. So we're gonna catch him. He's gonna message me when they're done or whatever, and then we're gonna go back over there and see how they came out. We just pulled up to Jitter. We're gonna get some drinks and then go to Walmart. I need to get some things for the headlights, that way when I put them back together they stay put together nice and good, you know. But for sure, definitely this is a spot, Jitters, if you guys, you know, hurricanes, coffee, whatever.
Well,
alright guys, we're at Walmart. This is blue raspberry kiwi with a little bit of cream. Thank me later. So inside Walmart is hella bunk. Like they don't have anything. Alright guys, Walmart didn't have the sealer, but I know for sure Ace will have it, so we're gonna go there, because I'm pretty sure that's where I got the last one I got, but they had a lot of a variety of different sealers, so we're gonna go to Ace and check it out, see what happens, see what they got. And then the bro Andrew hit us up to go eat breakfast, so we're gonna go do that afterwards. Oh shit, Kyle,
I drove fucking sped up.
But yeah, we're gonna go eat right now, or go to Ace and eat with the homie Andrew.
Well,
See if you guys meet him right now. He's a little fool, so it's pretty funny though. But if you're parking like this, you got some issues, bro. I get why you park far, because you got nobody hitting your car, but in this case a truck, but at least stay in the, you know, designated area, not that bullshit. But whatever. Ooh, nice Honda. That was legitness. Ace came in clutch. They did have the silicone in black, as you guys can see, and we also got a gun for the silicone, because I think we have one, but just you know, just in case. It's only $5, so. But we got it. Hey there, Snapchatters.
Hey, let's hear that exclusive.
So, this is Andrew. Hey. How's it going? Hey guys, I'm back. We just picked them up, the headlights, and the difference on them is incredible. He did an amazing job. I'll show you guys when I get home the difference before and after. I'll show the clip of, you know, how I put the camera in front of the lens, that way it seemed like blurry. Now I'm gonna do it, it's gonna be super clear, so I'll catch you guys at the house right now. Alright guys, so now you guys can see the difference of how it was before. I'll show the clip right now. And now you guys see the difference with it right after it's been restored. Look at the difference, you can literally see through clearly. So much better. He did a really great job. I asked him if it's unusual for people to get the inside restored as well as the outside, and he said yeah, but he's got it in that before, so he's done the inside before and the outside, so it's nothing new for him. But yeah, now I'm gonna put it back on. I'm gonna put some more sealant around, that way it stays nice and tight. I forgot how hot it is. So once it's out of the oven, just press on it a little bit, not too crazy. And then we're gonna put the screws back in right now. And then after that, we're gonna let it sit for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna put them on the car. That way the silicone just hardens up, and it creates that seal. There they are. Came out so much better. Now it's just time to install them. So let's get that going. Alright guys, so I just finished it all up. They came out really clear. Couldn't be any happier with the way they came out. So much better on this side, definitely. I could tell the difference right away. But yeah guys, I know some people might not know how to do this, like me. So make sure not to go like to the store and buy like those kits, $10 kits, do it at the house, you know. Because you'll be lucky enough to have it last like a month or two max, but these will last you a good while. So I'm definitely glad I took it to him. All right guys, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked it, because I know I did. The headlights came out really good, And if you guys have any ideas, you know, as far as what you guys want to see in my upcoming videos, make sure to, you know, hit the comments down below. Say what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see the Mazda Speed 3 more, my car, you know, I got other friends with Subies too. So if you guys want to see more Subies or cars,
Please
you know,
fasten passenger seatbelt.
fucking Kyle's car.
Put on your seatbelt, bro. Safety.
I hate his car. It's always saying, put on your seatbelt. Shut the fuck up. Anyways, yeah, like I said, comment down below. See you guys next week. Peace.